On this day, I'm very fortunate and thank you so much for inviting me to share with you the importance of doing nothing. We all do so many things in life, but sometimes doing nothing is very, very important. Meditation is nothing to do with any religion, any God, any character. It's only about you. It's about the person. It's about his life, okay? And it's about your physiological system.
Today actually is a very auspicious day. Do you know that today is a meditation day? I only come to know yesterday. So we do not purposely set today as the meditation day. Body and mind cannot be separated. You cannot separate the body. Okay? Something happened to your mind will happen to your body. Something happened to your body will happen to your mind. This is not a breathing exercise. This is not a qigong exercise. This is a mind exercise.
So for a good body, we need a good mind. And only when you have a good mind, you can have a good body.
Philippines is very close to his heart. It is his second home. Okay, whenever he's here, he never feels that he's in a foreign country. So we all have to help now, not for the business, for bringing the peace in society.